Hi everyone, this is Sean, Bid4Assets Digital Marketing Manager. In this video, I'll be taking you through an auction page on the Bid4Assets platform and showing you how to use our new pre-bidding system to place bids on upcoming auctions before they even open. Now, to do this, you will still, just like always, need to be registered for a free Bid4Assets account, and you will need to have a cleared bid deposit for the auction that you want to bid on. If you need instructions on how to do these things, you can check out the registration and bid deposit video guides we've linked in the description below. Assuming you've done these things, you've registered for your account, you've gotten your deposit cleared, all you need to do to pre-bid is log in to your Bid4Assets account and visit the auction page that you wish to bid on. You'll see with your deposit cleared, you can now access a bid box and enter your bid amount. It's important to note here that you don't have to bid by increments. No, you can bid the maximum amount you're willing to bid on a property, and the Bid4Assets auto bid system will bid up to that amount on your behalf during the auction, only bidding as high as is necessary to outbid other competitors. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to enter a pre-bid of $50,000. Then you would go ahead and you'd hit place pre-bid. It's update for me because I've already pre-bid on this auction. Once you do that, a confirmation box will pop up. Keep in mind that if you want to change your pre-bid here due to a misclick or any other reason, you can just go ahead and hit adjust pre-bid here. You can enter your correct amount and click save, and it'll be adjusted for you there. You'll need to agree to the county's and Bid4Assets terms of sale, just like always, and then enter your password in order to confirm your bid. Once that's done, just click pre-bid now. And done. Now you've got a pre-bid entered that will go into the auction as soon as it opens for bidding. You can view your pre-bid by logging into your Bid4Assets account and selecting the My Bid List display over here towards the left of the page display. And right there, you will see your bid displayed right here, and you can go ahead and adjust it at any time if you want to prior to the auction opening. You can set your proxy bid to a higher or a lower amount as you prefer. You just go over here and you select Edit Pre-Bid. Once again, I'm going to adjust and I'm going to lower it back down to 30,000. And just like before, you'll need to confirm the terms of service, both Bid4Assets and for the county. Enter your password, click pre-bid now, and you'll see that the amount has been adjusted to 30,000. You can adjust your pre-bid again at any time prior to the auction opening. But keep in mind that once the auction does open, you'll only be able to lower your proxy bid to an amount that's equal to the auction's current bid plus its bid increment. You can't bid lower than the auction's current bid. So it'll be the auction's current bid plus its bid increment. Hopefully, you'll enter your pre-bid well ahead of time. It's not something you have to worry about when the auction opens. And there you have it. It's that simple. We hope that you will take advantage of this new tool to make your next auction day a little bit easier here on Bid4Assets.